Thanks for joining Learn Cloud Together. My name is Pankaj. If you are new to Google Cloud and are looking to learn the basics and exploring a new products for your innovation, then this GCP free program is for you. Basically, with this program, you get 90 days of a free trial worth 300 USD, which is quite enough for you as long as you delete the resources once your testing has been done to avoid excessive billing. To be eligible for this free program, you should not previously signed up for any free trials and never been a paying customer for Google Cloud. Since this is a free trial, it comes up with its own restrictions. For example, you can't add GPU to your VM instances, you can't request a quota increase, you can't create a VM instances that are based on a Windows Server images. There is no SLA, service level agreement, do not apply to these free trials. So free trial is intended to help us explore and evaluate Google Cloud. In the description of this video, I will put some resource link for you to go in more details on restrictions of a free trials and usage limit. So what actually we are going to cover in this uh, session is basically how to create a free trial GCP account, then explore the GCP console, and then set up the billing alert, which is one of the most important thing we should be doing once the account is been set up, just to making sure we are not getting overutilized. So in order to create the free trial GCP account, uh, uh, first thing you need to have is your Gmail account. So if you don't have the uh, Gmail account, the email address, then probably it's the first thing you need to do is go to the gmail.com, create your Gmail account. And once you have the Gmail account, then you can come to the cloud.google.com, and that is where you can see here like you can just say like a get started for free. So once you click on this here free account, you have to just enter your Gmail account username and your Gmail password which you just created, and then say next. And behind the scene, if you see like it is creating my trial account here, I have to just go and accept the terms and condition. Is better, and like you should read those terms and condition, and if you agree you accept that one. You have to select the country, because since I am from the Australia, so just selecting Australia, and then I'm saying continue. This is step number 2, where we need to identify ourselves, who we are. So for that one, we need to specify either our credit card or the debit card details. The Google Cloud is not going to charge you unless you manually upgrade from your free account to the paid account. So what will happen for the resources which you spin it up, and after the 90 days, if you don't change it to the paid account, then those resources will be removed. So at the bottom of the screen, like there will be the button called Start My Free Trial. So once you click on that free trial, like it will just redirect you to the console. That is where actually I'll be coming. Since it is card detail, just for the privacy purpose, I'm not displaying that one. So once I click on the Start My Free Trial, it will take me to the console, and that is when I will again start my recording. So this is where it redirected to me after I enter my credit card detail. Now you can see like I'm on a Google console, and by default it created the first project for me. If you wanna see like what that project is, like so the name of that project is my first project. If you wanna go and change it to the some another name, you can go and change it. Or for example, if you wanna go and create a new project, you can go and create the new projects. And this is gonna be your dashboard, which is uh, which has the many detail, like very useful detail. For example, it is having the what project currently you have selected, it displays the project ID, and what resources you have currently spin up within this particular project. So currently, because since this project is just recently has created, I haven't created any resources yet. So once I create any of the resource, either compute or apps engines or Kubernetes or Cloud Run or anything, those resources will be available here, and then I will be from here I can move directly to those resources. So I will have the visibility of what is happening. The one important thing, if you can see here, is the getting started. You know, like it's very useful. Like it has a very the help guide examples. It will walk you through like how to use some of the Google services, how to spin up. Like for example, if you see here, right, like you can see the create cloud function. So once you click on this one, it will guide you step by step how to create the Google Cloud functions. My plan is like I'll be just coming up with the more videos across almost all these GCP services. So I will talk more in detail during that one. So currently we are just focusing on this. I'm just walking you through the GCP console. So here this widget you can move from here to there as per your convenience. Like I mean as per like whatever the place you want to move, you can organize it in much more better way. This is the navigation menu. So this, if you want to have the bigger screen, you can just click on this burger icon. Someone call it, or we can call it navigation menus. On the navigation menu, you can scroll down and you can see the multiple services which are available in GCP. So for example, under compute, you can see the apps engine, you can compute engine, which is one of the mostly used things. And then the storage, you got database. Uh, this services is growing very fast, like the Google and all the cloud providers are keep adding the new services. So this menu will keep growing bigger and bigger. So here is this is one of the interesting function. Like I like you everyone nowadays use the Google for searching, right? So this search capability has the similar thing like a Google search. So for example, if you don't know like under which menu it come, like what actually you want to do, like for example, if you want to create a VM instances, you have to come there, compute instance, and then you can click there. So here also you can directly type the VM instances, for example, and then you can it will directly take you to that screen, and that is where you can come and you can create the VM instances. Because currently I don't have anything set up, it is fresh, so I'm not able to do anything. I have to enable the billing. Mm, so we'll talk about that one. So the another thing is, for example, this is another feature, right? For example, if you're using this compute engine many times, right, and it is down somewhere, so you can always pin this one. So once you pin, it will be available in a top section. So you know, like it's very easy for you to go and navigate through these menus. So the third thing I wanted to cover is the billing. So I will just go and do the how to set up the billing alert. So this billing account got created for us, but actually we need to link this billing account. So just click on the billing account and select whatever billing account which is created and say set account. So what actually it will done is like it will set our billing account and it will associate it with this GCP particular project. So here now if you can see, because like I'm in Australia, like the Australian dollar is like very cheap as compared to the US dollar. That's why you can see like I have 426 dollar and I have this 90 days remaining on these accounts. So the important thing I wanted to show you is to we need to go and how to create a budget and the billing alert. So for example, here you can just go and say create budget. On this budget, you can say you have to type what is the name of your trial account. trial account, oh, trial account, budget alert, and then here it will display all the projects, right? Because in my case currently there is only one project, so I can't select it. But let's say suppose if there are multiple projects, then those multiple projects will appear here, and what are the this budget alert I want to create, I have to select those particular projects. But in my case, like, because there is only one, so I don't have any option to select. And then for which services you wanna select this one, so it is a good idea to select for all the services, because this alert, whatever the services you are spinning it up, so it will get applied to across your event. So make sure you select the checkbox, and then you go to the next one. Let's say suppose, for example, I wanna set up alert whenever my the amount goes around $100, right? For example, just for an example, I'm taking. So $100, and then I'm saying next, and that is where the, like, we can set up our threshold rule, like the first alert when you want to get the first alert, like whenever you get charged $50, that is for 50%. This is 90% is $90, and 100% $100. That is when actually you want to get alerted, right? So alert, basically what it will do is, like, it will come and send you this email on your the Gmail address which we have created initially, right? And then once you create finish, once you are happy with this, whatever your threshold which you have created, you can go and click on the finish. And now it's creating the alert for me. Yeah. So this is it. This is what I wanted to cover. So we cover all these three topics to get you started with this GCP cloud. So you can go and create your account, make sure you set up your billing alert, and in the future I'll be coming around like more and more videos on the GCP services. So if you're keen to know this one, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you like this information, you can click like. If you have any question, you can put it in a comment, and hopefully I'll see you again in the future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.